The Larson Electronics Zig Zag grounding transformer is powerful, reliable, and designed with the environment in mind. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, this transformer provides increased reliability and protection against critical equipment failures. The lower operating costs, lower heat emissions, and lower cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. On an ungrounded three-phase system, this type of transformer creates a grounded neutral connection which provides a path for ground fault zero sequence currents. This Zig Zag transformer is a three-phase unit with a primary voltage of 34,500 Y and 19,920 grounded Y. Featuring robust construction, this unit's cores are manufactured with non-aging, cold-rolled silicon steel laminations using state-of-the-art technology. The enclosure carries a NEMA 3R rating for protection from exposure to moisture, rain, dust, and debris. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.